Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we practiced putting together. Today, let's try again and make equations. Remember, 1 is a special number. 1. Next, let's make 2. 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. Put together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Next, let's make 3. 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 2. Put together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1. Put together. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Next, let's make 4. 1 plus 3 equals 1 plus 3. Put together. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. Put together. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2. Put together. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Next, let's make 5. 1 plus 4 equals 1 plus 4. Put together. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1. Put together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3. Put together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2. Put together. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Next, let's make 6. 1 plus 5 equals 1 plus 5. Put together. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 5 plus 1. Put together. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 4 plus 2. Put together. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 4. Put together. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3. Put together. 3 plus 3 equals 6. You did an amazing job today. Next time, we will break apart numbers to 10. See you next time. Bye-bye.